the only company that has been issued a direct production certificate of 3D printers in Daegu. Po유에듀테크 is a company that has converted its education and training equipment supplier Poyu Trading into a corporation for 17 years. Po유에듀테크 is the only company to receive direct production certificates for 3D printers in Daegu, providing 4-color 3D printers, flexible 3D printers for long-term model output, and training entry 3D printers. We want to grow into a company that provides customers in Daegu and Gyeongsangbuk-do with education and space to understand the fourth industry through 3D printers and support various creative activities. (3D printer sales business). 3D printing business. IT startup convergence education project. After-school leadership program. Educational equipment and materials project. R&D project. Trust was the biggest driving force behind our growth since its foundation. In the future, we will continue to grow into management based on our trust with our employees. Please give your warm attention and support to Po유에듀테크, which is always working with customers. Po유에듀테크.